Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef and on this channel I teach on how to make Nigerian food and intercontinental food, pastries, snacks, drinks, and lots more kitchen related content. Today I'll show you how to make Nigerian puff puff. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the very end of this video and like this video so others can see it. I'll be using all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. I'll also be using water. This is a very simple puff puff recipe. For those of you that want to do business, you can use this recipe. It's just a 4-ingredient recipe. Very simple recipe, but extremely delicious. If you follow this recipe, you will make perfect puff puff, Nigerian puff puff, and you will love it. It's very easy and very nice to follow. Okay, I put all my dry ingredients into my flour and I'm using a spatula to mix it properly. It's very important to mix your dry ingredients properly before adding your water. So I'm adding water now. My hands are clean. Mixing puff puff is very important to use your hand so that you get the perfect consistency for your puff puff batter. And guys, I'm going to list all the measurements, the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Please kindly check it out. I also have a video on how to make Nigerian puff puff where I use milk. There's milk recipe on the channel, so if you don't want to use water and you want to use milk and other ingredients, you can also check my other video on the channel. So this is how I did the puff puff to get a very smooth and elastic batter. Just follow what I'm doing here. It's very important to beat. That's why I'm using my hand. So beat in it helps it to, you know, that puff puff that is very soft and fluffy. Yeah, this one way to achieve that. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please kindly join the family by subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. You can see how elastic it is. So that's perfect. I'm done beating. Cover that up and leave it in a warm place. I normally put it in my oven that is not on. I can also put it in microwave, and it takes literally at least 35 minutes to 1 hour depending on your weather. So it's done proving. You can see the bubbles on top. It's perfectly okay. So I'm heating it up to release the air bubbles. It's very important to heat it up and release the air bubbles. So I'm done beating. I'll go ahead and release all the air and it's ready for frying. When frying your puff puff, you fry it with medium heat. You don't use low heat to fry your puff puff, but not very high heat. So I've preheated the oil and I'm going ahead and dropping my batter. So I'm using my hands to put the batter. Just follow the way I'm doing it. So when frying your puff puff, it's important to stir it so you have a uniform color. That's why I'm stirring it like this. Stir it. Puff puff does not really take time to fry. It fries very fast. Okay, there's no too much specialties and techniques like some other snacks. This is very easy and fast to fry. I keep stirring it so that I'll be sure that the color will come out in uniform and everything is perfect. It's not sticking together. Kindly recreate this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you guys. And this first batch is okay. Look at the color. Perfect. So I'm scooping it out. For those of you that wouldn't want to use your hands, you can get this batter dispenser from any baking store. You can use your batter dispenser. Okay, so we are frying the second batch. I'm done putting it, and we'll go ahead and stir it and fry it properly, just the way we did the first batch. Look at what we have there. Perfect. I'm scooping it out from the oil. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And to my amazing returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you all for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.